मैंने बहुत सारे इतने टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स देखे हैं जो जो इसलिए नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि उनको अपने आप को पहुंचाना नहीं आया वहां पर, उनसे नहीं हो पाया क्योंकि दे कांट सेल देमसेल्फ। आई हैव गॉट द कैरेक्टर ऑफ कि पाकिस्तानी मिनिस्टर है और वो ऐसा है, तो मैं कहा ये तो यार बिल्कुल ही मतलब इंसानियत दिखा दो थोड़ी सी। अब बिल्कुल इतना क्लीशे तो नहीं कर सकते ना, हम सिर्फ पॉपकॉर्न खाकर उठकर आने से अच्छा है कि लेट्स say your point of view, I say my point of view, let's have a discussion.
Another major film that you are a part of that is Stuck, which is Punjab 95.
I got very scared जब मैंने शुरू का ही part देखा. I was like, wow, really this film is going to be throughout like this? Then it's going to be a very powerful film.
Hi Saurabh, it's nice to meet you.
Hello, hi. Same here, Charita. It's very nice to meet you.
अभी आप कहाँ हैं सर? अभी आप अपने क्लासरूम में हैं?
I'm in my studio, yes. Studio. I was taking class and then I had an interview and then I came in.
Abhi, many interviews are happening back to back. Your PR team, kudos to them. They are on it. They are watching everything everybody is saying about your performance in Dhadak 2. And they are reaching out to journalists.
Yeah.
You know, like they should. Let's talk about Dhadak 2. ठीक है, let's enter this through Dhadak 2. हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, I don't know if you watched that live stream or your team watched that live stream where it was 4 film critics talking about Dhadak 2.
Yes,
and the
yes.
4 of us were talking.
I did.
And so you, I mean, firstly, thanks. And what was your initial reaction on knowing that there's like film critics out there who are actually dissecting a character with that much detail?
Happy, very happy that they're really talking about it. They're going deeper into it, and they're really talking about every nuance which I took, like that tea scene, which you people were talking about, and I was like, wow.
He's incredible. Again, another one of those actors who just shows up and you're like, you're in for a good time. He's got you. He's going to do a great character. But Uday
Maestro Sachdeva.
Maestro Sachdeva.
Maestro Sachdeva.
What did you say? Maestro Saurabh?
Maestro.
Right? Maestro. Maestro Saurabh Sachdeva. So I was like, wow. मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आया. मेरे को तो मैंने रिपीट करके देखा.
But I cannot think of a better Hindi film actor than Saurabh Sachdeva to play that character.
Rahul is in love with me.
Rahul is in love with you. You know, again, it's not like we wrote it down on the agenda that today we're going to talk about Saurabh Sachdeva's performance. We were just talking about Dhadak 2. And because Shazia Iqbal has done so much justice to the character of Shankar in the film, it just naturally so happens that you and her together have created this, you know, it is, I won't say it's an upgrade on what Mari Selvaraj made. It is a different version of what Mari Selvaraj made in a different context, different milieu, different atmosphere. And it just begs to be discussed. It's not something that you can watch and be like, "Ha, theek hai, acha kiya, let's move on to the next thing." But what is your relationship with film critics, Saurabh? Because this is a critic's favorite, Dhadak 2, but films that you've been a part of before, major films that have made major money on the box office, have not been critics' favorites. In fact, filmmakers have been very upset with us for talking about those films. What is your relationship with film criticism?
I never had a problem with that. I felt that that's their view and their point of view, and we all have different point of view when we see a film, and that's what the film's job is to. If people are talking about film and there is a discussion about some topic, I feel that's a good start, because सिर्फ popcorn खाकर उठकर आने से अच्छा है कि let's have a discussion. Let's say your point of view, I say my point of view. Let's find a way what is right for me, what is not right for me, what works for me, or I can change my view of being. So मुझे लगता है कि that is a good way. Film has done some justice, and मेरे को लगता है फिल्म का काम वो होना भी चाहिए कहीं ना कहीं entertainment के साथ.
धड़क या एनिमल नहीं, आप there is another major film that you are a part of that is Stuck, which is Punjab 95. हनी त्रेहान की बेहतरीन खूबसूरत फिल्म, मैंने 2 बार देखी है वो. उसमें आपका एक बहुत मेजर रोल है, and you are incredible in that film, and it really hurts me that people are unable to see that performance of yours and see that performance of Diljit Dosanjh in the film and what Honey has done with the story in the film as well. ऐसे moments पे film journalism काम आता है. Journalists who are watching the film and talking about the film and getting people to ask कि कहाँ है film, क्यों नहीं हमें दिखाई दे रही है. Have you followed the journalistic conversation around Punjab 95 over the last few months?
No, I've not. Last time you were only talking this same interview, and मैंने हनी से बहुत सुना है. Definitely, he's definitely struggling with it, and he wants. उसने बहुत साल दिए हैं, and I'm really feeling bad about it for him because director gives lot of and he's also written it, so बहुत टाइम दिया उस आदमी ने, और रिलीज ना हो और ये सब चीजें हो, तो आई फील एंड पीपल जब जो भी मैंने थोड़ा बहुत सुना है और जो उसके बारे में अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, जिन्होंने फिल्म देखी, मैंने तो फिल्म भी नहीं देखी अभी तक, नॉट सीन. I've just seen my small part when I was dubbing. I got very scared जब मैंने शुरू का ही पार्ट देखा. I was like, wow, really, this film is going to be throughout like this, then it's going to be a very powerful film. And I'm hearing from people those who have seen it, कि बहुत ही powerful cinema है वो, but unfortunately, yeah. So it's मतलब I would like to thank you guys that you can talk about it. उससे awareness होती है, and people somehow will from somewhere. I don't know what to say.
I mean,
Yeah.
when you watch a film that begets conversation, conversation just arises from it. But now, धड़क और पंजाब 95 दो फिल्में जिनका आप हिस्सा हैं, जो आएगी नहीं आएगी, रिलीज होगी नहीं होगी, पता नहीं, इधर उधर. Do you think about that not just as an actor but as also somebody who's preparing fresh actors to join the industry? Are we headed to a place of harsher censorship for cinema, in Hindi cinema specifically?
Yes, always. I want the film to release, and I really want the young actors to see this kind of cinema, because they're stuck with same old glamorous so-called जो फिल्में हम देखते हैं, और मेरे को कई बार उससे कोफ्त भी होती है कि ठीक है, you can be part of it to make money and to be out there, क्योंकि उसकी वजह से दूसरी पर this kind of cinema. मैं इतना खुश हुआ था when धड़क came out. And I was just standing with Sajia because मैंने उसको हमेशा बोला कि तेरे को मेरे से कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए ना, I'm going to be there. I'm going to be there for this film because you've made something which need to come out. And कितने साल हो गए हमने ऐसी कोई फिल्म नहीं देखी है, ऐसा कोई सब्जेक्ट नहीं देखा है जहाँ पर हम सोशल इशू के बारे में इतने कमाल तरीके से बात कर सके. So I really want Punjab 90, not because I am in it. I want it because the subject itself, the film itself, it's speaking about something, and we should see this kind of cinema.
What is it like working with Diljit Dosanjh? Because he's also an evolving actor. I feel like the acting performance he does now is very different from what he did 3 years ago, was very different from what he did 3 years before that.
We hardly connected to each other on the set also, because he was a star, and there were a lot of people who used to come close to him, and he was just doing his performance with me, and we had only that much fun. Yeah. Though the only responsibility for me was that we cannot have that distance because of the relationship we share in the story. So we need to break that. But because some part of the film also says that I see him after many years, so it will play well if I let it be. तो मेरी उतनी ही कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई, कभी ज्यादा ऐसे बैठकर बात करना या कुछ समझना, या he is trying to understand me or I'm trying to understand his world, which never happened. Yeah. So,
now, of course, you shared your origin story in many interviews, and I've seen many interviews now, so I'm not going to get into आपने कब Barry John के साथ काम शुरू किया, आपने कब अपना school शुरू किया, all of that. Like, you've spoken about it ad nauseum at this point, so let's not get into that. Years and years ago, when you first came to Bombay, thinking कि मैं स्टार बन जाऊंगा, मैं हीरो बन जाऊंगा, मेरे पास Barry John का लेटर है, has that come around 360 degree to when people are turning up to your acting school with stars in their eyes, thinking मैं सौरभ सचदेवा के पास जा रहा हूँ, मैं स्टार बन जाऊंगा बॉम्बे जाके? Do you see that happening?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. और मैं उनको क्लियर कर देता हूँ, उनका बबल बिल्कुल बर्स्ट कर देता हूँ कि it's not that easy. You have to really put yourself out there, and it's a lot of work on your craft and yourself, and you have to sell yourself also. You have to learn how to sell yourself also, because a lot of people only work on their craft but not going out there and pitching themselves. So all that, and I've tried to include that part also in the post, so that they can go out and they can meet people. They can that's very important, because मैंने बहुत सारे इतने talented actors देखे हैं जो इसलिए नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि उनको अपने आप को पहुंचाना नहीं आया वहां पर. उनसे नहीं हो पाया क्योंकि they couldn't sell themselves.
So you are brutal with the new actors, wannabe actors who turn up at your studio for training, that it's not going to be as easy as you think it is.
Not as brutal. No, I don't want to just shatter their dream. I
Yeah.
just show them the reality in a
Yeah.
way that you can you keep thinking about it, and but you have to start enjoying. You have to go deeper into the work, and you have to find your uniqueness. You cannot just rely on कि वो लोग बन गए तो हम भी बन जाएंगे.
There's a very important symbiotic relationship I think an acting teacher, an acting coach has, is that is with casting directors within the
Yeah.
industry, people who you can actually send your actors to once you feel like I've taught them enough and here you go ahead and do your thing. And there's a lot of conversation right now about कास्टिंग प्रोसेसेस इन बॉम्बे, कैसे हो रही है कास्टिंग, कहाँ हो रही है ऑडिशंस, कोई प्रॉपर है नहीं है, क्या सीन है वगैरह, वो डिबेट थोड़ी सी इस वक्त चल रही है बॉम्बे में. व्हाट इज योर रिलेशनशिप विद कास्टिंग एजेंट्स लाइक, not just in Andheri I would imagine, but like around the rest of the country as well?
I think it's first of all, it's great that casting directors have come up and they are. I was casted for Sacred Games. I did my audition and I was casted. Nobody, मैं किसी को जानता भी नहीं था. I was working with Barry for many years, but मेरे को बाहर का वर्ल्ड बिल्कुल नहीं पता था because मैं स्टूडियो आता था, पढ़ाता था, घर जाता था, movies देखता था, पढ़ता था. That was my life. The first audition I gave was with Kish, and there is where I got selected for Sacred Games. The first dialogue I said on the set, I was selected for Man Marzia. Man Marzia gave me Dash. Dash gave me so many other filmmen. So I feel that's the beautiful thing which has happened to us, and we have casting directors, and casting director also need young talent because main cast of पहले से डिजाइन हो जाती है और उसको पहले से ही create. But अभी उनका भी काम नए लोगों पे चलता है, and they're approachable most of them. I keep telling the actors that I think you are lazy if you're not reaching out to them. You're really lazy and you are just holding yourself back in your own conversation that मेरे को तो सुनना नहीं जाएगा, मेरे को तो. No, get up, go every day. That's also your job.
Yeah,
Finding your job is also your job.
damn right.
Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy on that. And a lot of time you will be rejected, but you have to keep working, keep on it, keep on it, keep on it.
You know, you've also said in interviews that a part of being a good actor is to be vulnerable, which is just a global truth. You have to be vulnerable if you want to do anything, I think, in your life, to your point about going out, reaching out to people. But a lot of the what is happening right now is that actors are scared of being vulnerable, especially in front of the media, when they're answering questions, when they're talking to people. So you're teaching them in this studio their vulnerabilities, you're getting them out of their shell, they're screaming, shouting, happy, sad, angry, all of that. And when they step out of this room and they have to stand in front of somebody that they actually have a conversation with, they're very held back, they're guarded. Are you seeing that happen with actors who are talking to media people and journalists?
It happens to everyone. It happens to everyone. It's not just the actors. Though actors are, they have more license to be vulnerable. They should be vulnerable because that is what we sell, right? We are in the job where we sell our vulnerability and our feelings. That's our stock in trade. We all are scared because we live in a difficult world nowadays, and because when we show our vulnerability, nobody held it. Nobody was there to hold it. Or it backfired because somebody mocked or somebody said something, and it is not for the actor. It's when we growing up. This is why most of the people go in their shell, and they become this macho, or they close themselves. Girls close themselves, and boys become this. Oh, I'm a man. So it's not just for actors. It's very difficult, and every time you're judged, and every time whenever you show your vulnerability, like I was showing my vulnerability to somebody, and the person was so involved, and suddenly after 5 minutes he was talking to somebody else, and
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, don't do that now. I trusted you. Don't do that immediately. It feels, where is my space then? What then? Yes, but because being a coach, I keep trusting people, and I have a space to be like that. But most of people don't have that space. Nobody can hold them. Like for example, when I was in COVID, I was very scared. I was very scared, and I called my mother and I said, "I'm very fearful. I'm very scared." And she said, "अब तुम्हारे जैसे young बच्चे भी डर जाएंगे तो हमारा क्या होगा?" I'm like, that has nothing to do. I am scared. I'm sharing it,
Yeah.
and just hold that space for me. Just be. Don't. So we growing up we learn to, because we think being strong is being this macho is strong strength, but vulnerability is not strength.
As a, as a woman who exists on the internet, sharing my opinions every day, that cuts so deep, because when you're talking about cinema, you're coming from a very personal space. You're coming from a very, like, I come from my gaze towards film is always very feminist. It's always my life, my experience, my lived experience that I bring to cinema, and that's how I critique films. You want it, you don't want it. You don't want it, you don't want it. And that vulnerability is so difficult to maintain
Yes,
online, because
yes.
this macho man is always ready to be like, "Who the fuck are you? Get the fuck
Yeah.
out of my face."
No,
Um,
Charita, I've seen girls doing that, and not in their own way, because male has been, उनको बोला गया कि be a macho. The girls have been told not to express themselves, not to be loud, cross yourself, do not show these things. Be nice girl, be nice this, be nice that. You are a gentleman, or you should be strong. When I first time got very scared and I was crying and I was beaten by one of my friend, and I came back. My uncle showed me this eye and he said, "Don't come to me with that face." Do you know what happened? I stopped doing, getting like holding myself. It takes a lot of effort too, and a space where you have to give space to the other person here also in your background. That space, I'm there for you. You
yeah.
can be vulnerable. Do you know that kind of listening really frees people, really frees people. And that's what
Yeah.
I do here majorly. That not the space is freeing you. I have to be not coming from any background chick, that this is who I am and this is how I'm going to listen to you. No, I'm going to listen to you as a human being. Let me give you space of to say whatever you want to say, to be whatever whoever you want. क्योंकि वो डर है कि अगर मैंने यहाँ पर भी कुछ बोला ना, सबसे पहले मैं बताता हूँ कि I was I'm dyslexic. I was sexually molested when I was young, so that they open up for that. Oh, this man is also a human.
There's a
He's
weakness
human.
there too.
Yeah, yeah. There is something he's, and then I'm not that young boy now, that 8-year boy. That happened to that 8-year boy, but I moved on. I've forgiven and I've accepted that boy as it is and allow it to be there. And now this is who I am. When I talk about these things, I talk to make. I don't talk कि मेरे को सिंपैथी चाहिए या मुझे एम्पैथी चाहिए. मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं आपको ओपन करना चाहता हूँ. मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि मैं भी इंसान हूँ. मेरे साथ वो सब चीजें हुई हैं और आप भी कर सकते हैं. And it was not like that few years back. I used to, when I used to talk about these things, oh, I was fetching for give me more love, give me sympathy. No, no. Now I'm complete with that boy. So that's my point. Ki, a lot of time I share these things, and see, I'm sharing it here. I know. Come on. So many kids have gone through this, and
Yeah.
very few can. And I can. I'm established actor. People know me. So this is who I am. Now, what's going to happen? Are you going to say, "Oh, he's a weak"? Okay, I'm a vulnerable human being who had gone through a lot of things in his life, who have failed a lot of time, and still says that I'm not a failure.
I feel like I'm in therapy right now. Oof, your actors must feel so secure and comforted when they step through those doors. Now I also think that you have like separate sessions for new actors versus the established ones who want to come back to you for workshops, because you've seen clips of like Ali Fazal and like all these people rehearsing with you. So tell me about that. Tell me about having separate sessions for everybody.
That's because they were already working and they wanted a
Yeah.
different kind of, because उनके खुद का जो बहुत सारा learning है, they have to unlearn that, and these newcomers are already empty. They're gullible, they're empty, they can take anything. There is a different kind of responsibility there. Okay, don't give them something which they will not, because ये उनका बेस बनेगा. इसके बाद वो और भी चीजें सीखेंगे, but this is going to be a base and this has to be वो नींव पावरफुल चाहिए. पर वहां पर बहुत सारा बेस बना होता है जो जो उनके लिए काम नहीं कर रहा है. So I have to listen from there that it's not working, and they're mostly in complaining about themselves or the people or the work. They're not in the co-creation.
Is it harder to break that down and build that back up again than it is for a new slate?
मैं बहुत हार्ड हो जाता हूँ उन पे, बहुत ज्यादा शार्प है.
जो पके हुए हैं उनके ऊपर.
Yes, I'm like, you don't understand what you're doing to yourself and to the craft and to the acting, and you don't know what you're doing. You're just complaining. Yes. You're just complaining. It's in the background. You cannot work on these people, and you will never know what they are thinking. You will never ever know. And तुम इतने sensitive space में बैठे हो कि अगर थोड़ा सा कोई ऐसे मूव भी बना देना, तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हारे बारे में. I tell you, कभी if you get a chance, then you can be part of it, and you will see how they open up. Like,
oh yeah.
Oh, ये 7 दिन में 10 दिन में something shifted. They start crying. They start feeling. They become vulnerable. They feel like it feels like we want to act again.
You know, we've spoken about ये vulnerability, वो vulnerability, awareness, keeping updated, techniques, methodologies. When your actors are coming through, are you also telling them to be like, also, बच्चे be aware of what is happening in the world? Just because you're an actor doesn't mean that you can just focus on your acting. In my opinion, and this is in my personal film critic opinion, a good acting performances need so much awareness of what the world is all about, where we are headed as a nation, as economies, as political leaders, LGBTQIA plus rights, all of that stuff. Do you also talk to them about that?
Yes. We do a lot of work on literature. We do a lot of work on news. We do a lot of work on paintings. Like Shilpa works with on the paintings. We bring the screen down. We study paintings. About first they have to read the painting and they have to understand what is. They have to make their own story, and then she talks about what is the belief about this painting, what is happening. And we also do because a lot of people who come to us, their school education is not enough to be an artist. They're not cultured in a way. So to be an artist, you need to be cultured. You need to know different cultures. You need to know different beliefs. You need to. When you travel, you don't just go to Paris and say this is the Eiffel Tower. No, you go deeper into the world, and you need to study their folk tales, their fairy tales, their beliefs, their lifestyle, their politics. We have the session where they have to study all that, and they have to write we have the set questions. We send them, and they have to find their own answer and send it to the coaches.
Like we were discussing in that live conversation as well, me and the other film critics, anytime you show up in a film, and it's not a lot, like you're not doing one film every 6 months where we're saying Saurabh Sachdeva show up in a film or in a series or something, but every time you do show up, we know that we're in for a good time. We feel, as an actor, to see you on screen, it feels safe to watch this performance, because so much time goes in watching bad performances, especially for somebody who does this for a living. For actors like you or Deepak Dobriyal or Chhaya Kadam or Zakir Hussain, we know that y'all show up and it's gonna, at least this scene is gonna be a good scene. बाकी का आगे पीछे देखेंगे. What are the kind of roles and scripts that you are saying no to, Saurabh? I don't want to do this.
Oh, I don't want to do some one-dimensional character where I have no freedom to create them, and cliche character that I don't know how much I can say about it, but I have got the character of Kim, एक पाकिस्तानी मिनिस्टर है और वो ऐसा है, तो मैं कहा ये तो यार बिल्कुल ही मतलब इंसानियत दिखा दो थोड़ी सी. अब बिल्कुल इतना क्लीशे तो नहीं कर सकते ना हम कि इतना ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट नहीं है वर्ल्ड. So allow me either find my own way of playing it and bringing some some nuance where he also been seen like a human, though he can have a flaw, and we don't agree to that, and that's what your script is. But then when they say no, it's going to be that black, and वैसे नहीं हो पाएगा, सॉरी. मैं उतना फिर मेरे को क्यों लेना है? फिर आप इसको ले लो ना जो आपको सीधा सीधा जैसे आपको बोलना है वैसे ही कर. तो फिर मैं इतना ट्रेंड हूँ और इतना काम किया है मैंने अपने ऊपर, और इतना सारा काम किया है लाइफ को समझने में, ह्यूमन बिहेवियर को समझने में. when will I able to play that? I am not, and that is what I came in this work. And I love this work because of understand different dimension of human behavior.
But does that not make you insecure? That some people will get upset if you say no to their work, and then that work will not come back. Because I find a lot of time actors are just like, we just say yes.
I don't disrespect their work. I said, okay, if you believe in this, then go ahead and do it. But it's not settling in me. I don't have down times. ना वो मैं बैठ वो मेरे पास नहीं है ना. और मेरे को क्या कहते हैं, मैं अभी भी बैग उठाकर और ऑटो में घूमने वाला इंसान हूँ, और मेरे पास चाहे गाड़ी हो चाहे कुछ भी हो, but I still can do that, and I'm happy doing that. I've found my way, why I'm all doing this. And तो मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि अगर मेरे पास वो सोचने का टाइम नहीं है कि अभी मुझे
खाली दिमाग है ही नहीं शैतान का घर बनाने के लिए, जगह ही नहीं है दिमाग में, तो कहाँ से शैतान आएगा दिमाग में? But nee, sir, it's really quite lovely to hear, somebody who's not just doing this for themselves, but also doing it for others and sort of helping us get better films and better performances. I am very indebted and very thankful. Do you have a list of filmmakers that you like? Abhi, I want to work with them next. Do you have a wish list? Now that you're acting more prolifically.
Vishal Bhardwaj, like to work with him.
Of course.
There are many who are Sriram Raghavan was always my favorite. Never worked with him. His way of Anurag, obviously, I want to work with him again and again. Because he's not directing. He's really understanding you. He really understands the actor, not the character, but actor, the personality. So वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Definitely want to do different genres, and which if people can't see that I can do it, I will create that for myself, that I will create that world where they can see me like that.
How about young actors that you look at, that you watch, not your students, but young actors that you've seen off late and been like, this person's really good?
A lot of are my students only. Raghav is always, I admire his work nowadays more and more, because he's really challenging himself. Harsh is another one.
Harshvardhan Rani.
Harshvardhan Rani. And then Richa is always my favorite, what she does whenever she comes. Tripti is another. So there are many people who are doing. I really nowadays I'm in awe of Ranveer because of his craft and his way of understanding the characters. So I'm very happy. Alia also, but yeah, they're my people who I really look up to.
Yeah. Well, thank you for being candid and talking to me about so much stuff today. And thanks for watching that live stream to begin with. I will tell Rahul this. I will show this to Rahul.
Yeah, I would love to talk to Rahul one.
सर आप भी अंधेरी में रहते हो, वो भी अंधेरी में रहता है, चलते फिरते मिल जाएगा आरामनगर में कहीं पे किसी स्क्रीनिंग में चले जाओ, प्रेस शो में मिल जाएगा, वो आपको भाई दूर से दिख जाता है. राहुल आ गया है.
राहुल, अगर तुम ये इंटरव्यू देखोगे तो प्लीज कांटेक्ट मी, वी विल मीट.
I'm so happy that I'm starting this brand new friendship between you and Rahul, but Rahul can always use more friends. But thank you so much for talking to me today, Saurabh, and I hope to see you in something very, very soon.
Thank you.
That
was a lovely interview. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.